Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Naya Cha Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Naya Cha Nanda Gopa Kumaraya Devaki Naya Cha Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Naya Cha.
Hi guys, Namaste and Khabagani. This is me, Rishi, and I am in Rishikesh right now, and as you can see, this is the Beatles Ashram, very famous place in Rishikesh, and all of you must visit if you haven't been here. And this is my day 2. I started from Delhi on Wednesday night, reached here on Thursday morning. Very short bus journey of 6 to 7 hours. What I have done till now is I've been to a couple of cafes. I've also been to Laxman Jhula and Ram Jhula. I clicked some pictures there, and you'll eventually see all those clips in the video that is about to follow. Also, there is Triven Ghat where the Ganga Aarti happens, and this is ashram right next to the bank of Ganga where children do Ganga Aarti, and it's supposed to be very good. So I'll go there today evening. There are a lot of options to stay there. Hundreds of hostels, I'm sure here in sorry, not hundreds, but yes, there are some 20-30 hostels in Rishikesh where you can find cheap accommodation, or you can have Airbnbs as per your convenience. Try and come right after the harsh winter so that you get a very pleasant weather, and you're able to cover most of the things on your feet. So yes, I hope you plan your Rishikesh trip soon, and thank you for all the people who have given me recommendations on Instagram. I have tried and covered most of these places. I even booked my accommodation from one of your recommendations, so keep sending me recommendations whenever I ask for when I travel, and I really look forward to your recommendation. So yes, I hope you loved the video. Keep coming to this channel again and again. If you like the video, subscribe, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comment section below. This is the first video I'm making, so I hope you really like it, and I'll catch you soon guys. Thank you so much.
Nandana